Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Rush for more reviews. Today we are in Constant Spring on Constant Spring Road. Welcome back again, guys. Hope you guys are staying safe. It's another video. I know we're going through the big C virus right now, so I hope you guys are doing what you're supposed to be doing. You're social distancing, staying at home, ensuring that you're sanitized, and definitely staying safe as well. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe, definitely like, comment and share as well. And for all the new people, subscribing is free, so you have no issues if you subscribe. And again, guys, we're trying to bring the channel to 3,000 persons in the by end of May, so your help is definitely appreciated. So as you can see, we're at the Super Value Town Center, Towne with a E on the town. So that's what we're looking on today. So I'll be definitely bringing you guys closer, showing you guys what's happening over there right now. It's officially opened. The second and third floor is not yet occupied, but I know they're working on getting all the tenants moved in. So you guys will see that quite a few shops already over there. So we'll take a closer look for sure. So thanks for joining another video, guys, and it's Rush with you, the Discovery Boss. Alright, as you realize as well, only one side of the road they're using because they're doing some work. So they're doing some work on the road. I'll show you guys that as well. So only one side is being used for now. Alright, so guys, take a walk with me. Super Value Town Center, Constant Spring Road. Alright, so we were just outside of the Constant Spring Tax Office, the Constant Spring Inland Revenue Center. So we are now closer to the new Plaza. And quite a few persons keep asking how they can, donate to the channel. All that is in the description, guys. You have PayPal and other banking details. So if you want to donate to the channel, just check the description. So down there is where they're working on the road. I'll get a bit closer as well. Alright, so some of the tenants so far, we're seeing Fresh Foods. That's a supermarket. We're seeing Ribbies. We're seeing Uncark. Those are two restaurants. We are seeing Wendy's as well. Broadbent, Domino's, ICIBC Insurance, Masala Wok, I think that's probably a Chinese restaurant, the Life Store, Innovative Entrepreneur, Cafe Blue. So those are some of the stores, our outlets right now, our tenants. Alright, so some of the plaza is 3-story. A portion is 1, 2, 3 floors. They also have a rooftop area as well. We see steps going up. That's the supermarket, Fresh Foods, ICIBC. Alright, so we see some plumbing work taking place. We see flow as well, along with water commission. Alright, so that traffic is heading to Halfway Tree. We have electrical depot over there. Then this direction is up Constant Spring Road. So a lot of work is still happening, guys. This is their extended parking, guys. So it's a parking overflow. This area was recently asphalted. So just showing you guys from a different angle. Alright, so this is the shopping center from down this angle. Angle. Super Value Town Center. So you have an idea of the width and the length. Alright guys, remember to leave your comments. Remember to share and like. The more you like and comment is the further the video will reach. Or the more persons it will reach as well. Alright, using this opportunity to show you guys a little bit of Constant Spring Road as well. In terms of the completed project. So again guys, if you have reached this far, thanks for watching, and definitely stay tuned for more videos like this as well. One of the things we see on the poles and light posts, they have caution tapes, the black and yellow. But let me know your thought guys. Do you think Constant Spring Road looks better than Agri Park Road in terms of the quality of the work, in terms of the final product? So leave in the comment guys, does Constant Spring Road improvement project looks better than Agri Park? The quality, the timeline, the longevity and durability. Let me know what you think guys. Definitely leave your comments.